Hello everyone. For the second app, which is Remitano, we are going to do our registration in the web app through our browser, and after then we'll download the app for our verification. For Remitano, the registration is very easy. All you have to do is to copy the link, paste it in your browser, or simply click the link and then click go. Now you're going to see this option. So all you have to do is to choose the register option, no login, click register, and then you're going to have this option before you. Now you choose how to register. You can decide to input your email or you simply just use this. So I'm going to choose this option, continue with Google, and I'm going to choose my email address, any email address of my choice. So I have a list of email address here. So let me choose this. I choose my first email and then I'll choose continue. So you will see my username. So and then you'll see the referral code option there. Then click I agree and then click continue. So it's going to ask you what your goal is. So what is your main goal? Okay, let me choose cash out crypto. Let me just say cash out crypto. Click continue. Then welcome to Remitano. Start your journey now. So we are to download the app. So scan the QR. So if it doesn't have, you can simply close this if you cannot scan it. Go straight to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store to download it. To download the app, the verification is easier through the app. So if your browser is giving you problem, do the verification through the app. To do your verification, go straight to your profile icon. You can come and touch your profile icon. You can see your profile icon. Touch it and you're going to see unverified, touch verify. So that is how you do your verification. Once you click this, click verify now. There are going to be many options. Okay, you choose your country. Nigeria, if it's not Nigeria, whatever country you are, touch the arrow and choose your country, but we are in Nigeria, so we leave it and click continue. Then choose option. So I always prefer the first option, which is BVN. This you don't need to upload any documents. Once you click start uploading document, all it will ask you is your BVN number. Once you put your BVN number and click continue, it's going to ask you to do facial verification. You can see that after document verification. So BVN, you don't need to snap anything, just put your number. Then once your name matches, you do facial verification. Once you do face verification and it matches, that is it, your account is registered. So this is how you register on Remitano. So if you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. One beauty about Remitano is that you do not need a password. So keep your email secure because links will only be sent to your email for login. Ensure your email is secure.